Hello everyone and welcome back to my learning studio. So today we'll be looking into Python operator precedence. So what do you understand by operator precedence? So what is operator precedence, right? So operator precedence means the order in which Python performs operations. Now what are operations? We have already seen, right? There are multiple operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators, and then membership operator. Many operators are there, right? Whenever in an expression we apply these operators like 3 plus 2, what is that? It is the plus is an operator, and what operation it is performing? Addition operation it is performing. Okay, so the order in which Python performs operation. So suppose in an expression, if you have 2, 3 operators, so which is the very first operator that Python will target? That is what precedence means. Okay, understood? So today we'll see which operator comes first in according to Python. So that is all about operator precedence. So Python follows rules to decide which operation should happen first. So there are rules for everything. So here also there are rules. So it's easy, right? Once we know the rule, it will be very easy. Now think of it like this. We have already seen right from I think 7th to 8th standard, BODMAS is the rule, right, for mathematics, arithmetics. What is BODMAS? Whenever there is an expression given to you, first you have to check for brackets. Brackets you have to perform first, right? Parenthesis, brackets. So this is the first operation that you perform in an expression, correct? Next is order or index. Order is raised to, power, exponent, roots. You know all that, right? Order or indices means power, also called exponents or roots, correct? So second comes this. First is bracket, second is order, BO, D is for division, multiplication. Now division and multiplication, how do they work? They work from left to right. Okay, whichever comes first has to be performed first. Left hand side has to be performed first. Next is addition and subtraction. So same, because they have equal importance. Works from left to right. Now we have to remember this order. So what is the order? BODMAS here in maths. We have already seen an algebraic expression and algebra whenever we solve all these operations. This is the rule that we follow, BODMAS or BIDMAS, correct? Similarly, now why precedence matters? Okay, now people will ask, why is it important? I can do see 2 plus 3 into 4, right? So first I can go for 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5. 5 fours are 20. So the answer becomes 20 here. Now if I do 3 multiplied by 4, 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Both are different. Hence now which is the rule I need to follow so that I get the right answer. So my rules are very simple. Since here is addition and multiplication, which has higher precedence, which has higher importance? Multiplication. So I will first do multiplication. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is the right answer. Okay. So understood why precedence matters? Now precedence order in Python. Okay, so here first parenthesis, this is the first one, highest one, then exponential, same order. Okay, order or indices or root. Then unary operators, we have seen, right? Plus x, not x, correct? Multiplication, division, mod, this has same importance, sorry, same importance. Here addition, subtraction, it has same importance. After that comes bitwise shifts. We have seen bitwise operators, correct? Then comes bitwise AND, then bitwise XOR. Bitwise OR has the lowest one. Next is comparison, logical NOT. logical and logical or. So if you see, this is the precedence. Okay. Now, exponential power, say here, has the highest precedence. We have seen order 3 raised to 2. So here if you see, this is 2 plus 3 raised to 2. So which one you will target first? This 3 raised to 2, which is 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, which is 11. Okay. Now, logical operator and has higher precedence than or. If you see here, we already said, so or has the lowest precedence, above that is and. Okay, first is and, then is or, right? So in this here example here, if you see true or false and false, there are two operators, or is also there and it is also there. So which one will you do first? False, right? False and false. So first false and false will be false. Okay, because we have seen 0 and 1 is 0, correct? So false. Then true or false, again true or false. 1 or 0, always will take 1. So true or false will take true. Got this answer? Have you got this answer? Understood? Next is comparison operator. Now we have seen that if you see this chart again here comparison operator, after all the arithmetic and bitwise operator and everything, there is comparison. Okay, so after you have performed all the operations, then you need to compare, but comparison is before logical not an and or. Okay, so be very clear about this. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here we'll see that now in this example comparison operators are there, and also you have parenthesis and addition sign. So here you have parenthesis, addition, and then a comparison. So which one you will target first? Parenthesis one, which is 5 plus 2, correct? 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7. 7 is greater than 6. Yes, that's true. Hence, this is true. So now key rule. What is the key rule? If operators have same precedence, Python evaluates left to right. So we have already seen that division, mod, and multiplication, these have equal precedence, right? They have same importance. And similarly, addition, subtraction also has the same precedence. So what is the rule there? So if there are such instances where you have similar precedences, you go from left to right, correct? So here if you see, there is addition, subtraction, again addition. So what will you do? Since these have same weightage, what you will do, you will go from left to right, which is 5 plus 4 will be performed first, which is 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 7 would be 2, and 2 plus 3 would be 5. So your answer is 5. Got it? So now the biggest common mistakes that many think, right? Now see, print 10 minus 2 multiplied by 3. This is within the parenthesis. So what they will do? They'll do 10 minus 2. No. Now there are two operations inside the parenthesis, correct? So inside the parenthesis, whatever is there, again go to and apply the rule. Which one of these operators has higher precedence? Multiplication, correct? So we'll do multiplication first. That means 2 star 3, 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, and then 10 minus 6 is 4. So your answer is 4. It won't be from left to right, correct? Why? Because all these operations, first thing, all these operations are within the parenthesis. So we are targeting parenthesis first, correct? And inside the actually here, frankly speaking, this is not even the parenthesis for this. This is for the print function, correct? But even if I say there is a single statement like 10 minus 2 star 3, even if this expression is given, still you have both the operators inside the parenthesis. So again the precedence will come here, okay? So you have to check what is the precedence. Fine. So here it will be 2 multiplied by 3 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. Answer will be 4, correct, according to the Python evaluation. Now what is the trick to control order? Easy, parenthesis, correct? So if you want to control the order, you have to use parenthesis. Without parenthesis, if you see 2 plus 3 star 4, so here which would be the first operation? 3 fours are 12. But what if you want to do 2 plus 3 first? So what will you do? You will apply parenthesis around it so that since it has the highest order. So 2 plus 3, 5 will be performed first. 5 fours are 20. Okay, got it? So it is upon your logic what you want done first. Now, what is the out? Let's see. We'll have a small quiz here. What is the output of 2 plus 3 star 4? So, let's see which one is it. Now, just think it should be multiplication should be before addition, right? So, just think for a while till I pause. Okay, so I'll give you the answer now. The answer is 14. How? Because according to the order, 3 multiplication has higher precedence. So 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So your answer is 14. Understood? So here I have given an example. So summary is first parenthesis is first, exponential next, multiplication, divide, then it is addition, subtraction, and if same precedence, this I have given for arithmetic operations and parenthesis, right? So same precedence, if there you have the same precedence, you go from left to right. To control order, you have to use parenthesis. Understood precedence? So once we understand precedence, we can write better code, okay? And we can apply our logic accordingly. So this is all for today. Thankful, grateful, blessed. So every expert programmer was once a beginner. So keep coding, keep building, and keep growing. Enjoy. Have a great life. Bye-bye.